Alright, so here I got the K1 and the K1 Max together, and you guys can kind of see the size difference. The Max is definitely quite a bit larger, and obviously does take more room on the table. And our print volumes are quite different also, which we have about 220 by 250, I think, and that's 300 squared. So yeah, quite a bit larger. They are very similar. We got tinted plastic sides, glass door that's magnetic, same way on both. On the top, on the Max, we got a glass cover, and it's got more like a flat design. And on this one here, we got a raised plastic cover that's actually magnetic. And the reason it's raised because it accommodates this chain, which houses the wire and our PTF tubing, and our filament detector here is in the back. And the backs are pretty much the same. We've got the spool holder here. We can see on the Max, we don't have the filament detector there because it is inside on the back. So I don't know if I like that better or not, but it does seem to work well, and never had to go in and try to, put anything through. So yeah, other than that, very similar design structure, and hot ends are identical also for the most part. A big difference with the Max is we do have a LiDAR here. Not too sure exactly everything it does, as it's probably more upgraded for the future, which the regular K1 does not have. We've got an external fan, same here, except this one here has a filtration. To be more specific, carbon filtration. You can change the filter on the back side. Same type of build plates. This one's very large, and they are both flexible magnetic sheets, smooth PEI with a magnetic mat underneath. On the Max, we also have this little drawing here, and I think that's for the LiDAR. We have the same external parts cooling fans on both machines. Going back to the build plate, this is the K1. If we look underneath, it's just dark, and the heating element is kind of incorporated into the plate. On the K1 Max, we have a silicone heated mat underneath that heats up the build plate. So that's quite interesting. And maybe the K1 Max actually uses AC heating. Another cool thing about the K Max is we do get a little graph here of all of the different filaments and what speeds and temperatures to print at. Same screens on both of them. USB-A here on the left side, same rubber feet that are add-ons. My K1 was the early model, so it didn't come with a camera, but the Max is a later model and it has the camera installed. But you can't add it if it doesn't come with yours, but all the new ones now do come with the cameras. But yeah, that's pretty much the biggest difference between the two. Operationally, they're the same. We do have an LED here also on the back side. And the one on the Max is the same size as this one, so it's a little bit dimmer in here than it is in here, as the light output is the same. But they're both very quick printers, and they both have exactly the same print quality overall. There might be a small difference, but it's very minute. I do prefer the Max better, obviously, as it is a lot more versatile because of that larger print volume.